Let's first cut out the 8 buckles under the switch separately. Take out the bottom cover first. Take out the circuit board again. Take out this film. But be careful, it's the little switch on it. Can't let it fall. Then we put this button cap. Take it down with this mechanism at the bottom. There are 2 buckles at the bottom. One is in this place. One is in this place. 2 places to pry open the buckle on it first. Let's do a hand flip when we pry it open. Just pry the bottom. Just pry it and you can take this out. Take it out and put it aside. First open the bottom and fall out separately. Then we will replace this button cap with it. Insert it into this position and pry it. Same here. Take out the button cap. Put the product again. Put a marked button cap on it. Buckle up. Then take out the button film. Cut the top opening for it. After cutting it flat, then stick the membrane switch of the product delivery on it. Tight. After sticking it tightly, put it on this circuit board. Then this switch position of the original car needs to open to slots. A slot. 2 slots the position of this slot. Observe first this button cap of the original car. Bottom 2 wheels. Aim at these 2 small wheels. You make a sign first. Come up onto little wheels and mark it. Mark this little basket. Then when you buckle it up, take a look at the position of the logo. Let me draw these 2 positions here. So I'll draw the 2 grooves at the bottom. Draw the position of the 2 grooves. Then take a saw blade or bottle mouth pliers. Cut out these 2 positions. After cutting, press this button down again. Try it to see if it's a little bit different. It's right to be able to press down a little bit. It's enough to be a little bit cluttered. Then put this circuit board together with this film. Fix it up. Must be aligned. Then put the bottom case on it. After it is installed, let's check if this button works. You can hear the crisp sound of buttons. This is installed.